Hey guys, and welcome back to another personal finance video. I'm sure you will learn something here, and if you like it, please give it thumbs up. We will be looking at a very similar scenario again, as in the last video of this Investing 101 series. As usual, the growth of a portfolio value of an initial $10,000 investment over 40 years is being animated, while a constant return rate and zero volatility are being assumed. To reduce the complexity of this topic further and to create an easy example for the compound interest effect, taxes are also not being considered. 0.1% is the annual return rate that was assumed for the calculation of the future value of the investment, and to create this line chart. This is a typical interest rate you'll get on your checking or savings account from any of the major banks. Looking at certain times in history, and unfortunately also at recent times, especially the last 3 to 5 years, using an inflation rate of 5% for this simulation seems reasonable and not too unrealistic. The federal target rate is indeed a little lower, but in reality inflation is not. The animated chart clearly shows an enormous loss of buying power of your initial savings, and thus the detrimental effect of your financial future if you hold on to cash for a long time. With such a return rate, you either change your investment strategy completely, or you might as well just splash everything and live your life to the fullest when you are young and don't think too much about what to do decades later. Anyways, that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and if so, it would help me and the channel if you'd subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you again in my next upload.